In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix rustclient.exe is not responding. Go to Steam, find the game here. So I'll show for this game, follow the same steps for Rust. So right click on Rust, and then here you'll go to properties, then you'll go to installed files and then browse. You'll find something like rustclient.exe or rustclient or like just rust.exe. So you would right click on it and then properties, compatibility. You would enable these options, these three options, enable them and then click apply and then OK. After that, you want to click verify integrity of game files. Once done, you can close this down and then go to Steam, go to settings and then go to downloads, then click clear cache. After that, go to storage and then click clear repair library. Also, you want to make sure under downloads that you have this set to your region. So select your closest region or your exact region if it's available here. And then you can just close this down. Now the last thing you can try is to completely shut down Steam. So if you see it here, just shut it down, exit it. If you see Rust here, exit it. And then under task manager, if you see Rust here, just exit the game, exit Steam. Make sure it's not running in the background or in the processes. You can go to details and just make it do the same thing. Search for Steam and then search for Rust. Make sure they're not running. Once it's all shut down, you want to go here to Windows, Security, go to Virus and then Manage Settings, then disable real-time protection. Once you do this, you can try and relaunch the game and it should work.